Hello, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can get rid of the Tpms, flat tire indicator of a Volkswagen Tiguan. It's a 2011 model. This is slightly different. I had to search for myself because this has no buttons on the steering wheel. To enter the menu there is a secret button, and I'm going to show you how you can get rid of the indicator that is flashing on the dashboard or turning up on the dashboard. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel is Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 300 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Any questions, any comments, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, this car, I had an indicator, the flat tire indicator over here flashing or turning up when I started the car, and I wanted to enter the menu. To enter the menu you have to use these buttons over here. Yes, look over here and press this button, keep pressing that, and as you can see a menu appears, and that's the only way to get hold of that menu. Once you are here, scroll down with the same buttons, find vehicle status or settings, and there is a button over here. Yes, this button, press that to enter that menu. Once you are here, scroll down to tire pressure, enter it, and then you can scroll to store it, enter it again, confirm it, and as you can see the indicator flashes up and disappears, and that's when you know the indicator must have been reset. To re-enter the main menu, go to MFD data, press it, go back, go to MFD, and as you can see we are back to the main menu. That was it. That's how you get rid of the Tpms sensor indicator of a Volkswagen Tiguan. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.